The topic of this video is river terraces. I want you guys to have a clear understanding of the cliff and terrace step sequences found from a decreasing river stream. This gives us exact data on the decrease of the river. We're going to start off our study in Argentina, which is one of the best places in the entire world to study river terraces. Using topographical data, we can clearly see the cliff and terrace step sequences. Here we can see that the megastream was 55 miles wide. This is commonly referred to as a glacially carved area because it is so far south. But that cannot be the case due to these clear and distinct river terraces. Even in shallow terrain, we still see the same features indicating a decreasing river. The Piranha River is the 5th widest river in the entire world, but it is nowhere near as wide as its river banks. As it moves towards the ocean, it greets the sea with an expansion bar. Towards the south is a C-shaped cove, which is a scarp edge made from an offshore discharge. If you don't know what a scarp edge is, you need to watch more of my videos. Now this is the Amazon River, which is the widest river in the entire world, and it is nowhere near its river channel, which is 35 miles wide. Looking at the whole Amazon River, we can see its erosional path as it moves towards the ocean. Here we can see from bank to bank, it's 247 miles wide. And when we zoom in, we find accretion ridges along this bank. Accretion ridges are a common feature of river deposition. These river accretion ridges are clear confirmation of the megastream Amazon River. And as we move towards the ocean, we see its erosional path and how it made a streamlined intermediary. This intermediary reminds me of the one I found in India. Next to it is another streamlined intermediary in the midst of a megastream covered in a salt pan. This area is textbook erosion of megastream if megastreams were in a textbook. I'm going to teach you all of these features so that you can understand how impressive this erosion is. Now let's look at the river channels. And we see that they also have megastream river channels, as we could see with Google Earth imagery. And we zoom in to find that there are also mega-scale ripples. These are a corrugated ripple path made from the undulation of a stream's water flow. And these ripples are 2.4 miles in wavelength. We also see these expansion bars, and inside these expansion bars, we find erosional paths of fluvial sediment lobes. This reminds me of the English Channel, which has a similar feature of a double expansion bar. And at its bottom, it also has these erosional paths and sediments streamlined. Now let's look at some megastreams in Europe. This is the Rhine River in Germany, and it has a very impressive cliff and terrace step sequence. In Spain, we also find a short section of a megastream. And in this megastream, we find the remnants of salt scablands. In Haiti, we also find a river channel that crosses over the land, and a scarp edge is found on both sides. New Zealand also has several steps in their cliff and terrace step sequences, indicating a decreasing river channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can subscribe, like, comment, give me some feedback. Dislike it if you don't like it, but just give me some feedback and tell me what's up. Thank you very much.